Okay, so just make sure everything is good here. Alright, so let me start with yeah, recipes.js. So this is a simple data file exporting a static array. Right, static because it has it's a data structure with fixed size at compile time, and sorry, a static array of recipe objects, and each recipe is an ID, title, an array of ingredients, and an image URL. And um, see if this is the correct one. Yeah. Yeah. So in this main gallery component, I import the default recipes array from recipe.js using as well. It also uses an array prototype to render each card, right? And let me see here in the app. Yeah, this is just a simple file that renders recipe gallery. And let me just test this real quick here. Let me see here. npm start. Let me make sure I actually am in the right one. Gallery. Okay. And here we have it. Broccoli, carrots, bell peppers. Oh, I love bell peppers. Soy sauce. Pasta eggs, Parmesan cheese, bacon. Here we have it. Beautiful. Let me run a quick test here. Where's my test? Testers. My test. Yeah, no. I didn't write test here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I did it over here. Okay. Alright. Going. One year, let me say. Recipe gallery. Say test. And so we successfully pass test cases here using the app. This app test loads, but yeah, it's mainly the recipe gallery.test. Alright, so okay. Yeah, we have like 7 cases here. And yeah. And this is it.